Making friends is often one of the most daunting parts about becoming a student, but we have some top tips that will help you make friends in your first few weeks. Before coming to uni, we recommend that you join Facebook Freshers groups. This is a great way to start making friends and connections with people that you might be studying with or living with. When you're packing ready to move to uni, it's a good idea to think about taking some games and activities that everybody can join in with. If you're not too sure what to take, you can never go wrong with a classic pack of cards. Going to Freshers events like the Freshers Fair and Welcome Fest is the best way to meet other new students. You'll also be able to see what societies are available, which is another great way to meet like-minded people and make friends. You might think that Freshers events are all about going out and drinking and getting really drunk. Some of them are, but if that's not your thing, don't worry, because there's loads of other activities and events that you can attend and meet new people. When it comes to course activities and lectures, you should take the plunge and sit next to someone. After all, you are going to be seeing them all the time over the next 2 years, so you may as well get to know them, and you probably already have a lot in common. After your lectures, why not invite some of your course mates to grab a coffee or maybe even some lunch? There's a good chance that you'll have time in between lectures, so this is the best way to get to know your course mates on a more personal level, and you can chat freely without disturbing your lecture. There's plenty of spaces to eat and drink on every campus. Head off campus and explore the local area together. Whether you head off with your course mates or your flatmates, there's endless lists of things to do across all of our locations. So, whatever your interests, you and your new friends will have plenty to discover. You could organise some group study sessions to get to know your course mates better. There are so many group study areas available across all of our campuses, whether in the libraries or elsewhere. If for whatever reason you are struggling to adjust to university life, there is always someone to talk to. You can talk to your lecturers, the Students' Union, and also our advice zone and wellbeing support staff are always on hand to help.